actually my first time at the conference, so I'm really excited.
Districts that are represented here and the educators that come to FETC are really looking for innovative practices to take back to their classrooms.
I came to FETC this year to kind of track some of the progress, some of the tools that we're already using, and see what other tools we could use to implement in our school to support our teachers and our students in education.
AI has been my big inspiration here, and different tools I can use to further cement the instruction for my students.
Thank you, Bradford.
Yeah, thank you.
See you at FETC 26.
See you next year at FETC 2026.